In this video, we'll show you how to install a 15-litre door mount swing bin. Start by using the template provided to mark out the holes for all 3 brackets. Remember, the placement of the template depends on which way your door opens. Using a 2mm drill bit, pre-drill the holes for all 3 brackets. Fit the lid bracket to the lid using the 2 14mm screws provided as shown. Make sure you have the correct orientation depending on which way your door opens. Fit the rotating axis to the outer bucket, again ensuring you have the correct orientation. Using 6 of the 20mm screws provided, fit the lid bracket, the outer bucket bracket, and door bracket to the cabinet and door. Next, attach the outer bucket to the lid bracket and bottom bracket by aligning the pins with the holes and lowering into place. To connect the bin to the door bracket, swing the outer bucket towards the door and gently lift onto the door bracket. Once in place, the bin should open and close automatically with the door. Now place the bucket into the outer bucket to complete the installation. Your bin is now complete.